This is a coaching tool called the Wheel of Life. And today we're gonna tweak it to become the Wheel of YouTube Skills to help you and me to make better YouTube videos. If you have been making YouTube videos, you know it requires a lot of different skills like filming, editing, lighting, audio engineering, storytelling, so on and so on. Now the purpose of this tool is to be able to make good decisions on what to focus on when you could be focusing on many different things. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. You constantly need to improve your skills to make better videos. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you take a piece of paper and draw a circle on it. Then you divide this circle in different areas and put labels on the different areas. Now the next step is really subjective, and it's important that you're brutally honest with yourself. What you want to do is to rate your skills by filling in the areas like this. So you put the pencil in the circle and you ask yourself this question: how good are my skills in filming and lighting? And you just pull this up until it feels like, yeah, here are my skills. And you do this again. How good are my skills in editing? Maybe not quite as good at filming.
And then how good are my audio skills? Not so good. How good are my animations? No, pretty bad. How good are my skills in thumbnail and title? Maybe like this. How good are my storytelling skills? I think it's like this. How good are my skills in talking in front of the camera? Not that good. And how good are my color grading skills? Like.
So now, if you fill in these areas, you get this kind of bad looking wheel. That's like a snapshot of what you think of your skills right now. And it would be easy to say, oh, I'm gonna focus on animations and color grading because those are my worst areas, and just start practicing those areas. But no. This is the moment where a good coach starts asking questions. Questions like, where do you want your skills to be after your next video? Where do you want them to be after a month or after a year? And the way you answer those questions is by filling in this with different colors. Then you take it a step further by asking the question, if I put effort into one area, which other areas will that affect as well? And when you start answering these questions, you will see which area to focus on depending on where your skills are right now. And once that's done, it's time to set good goals for yourself. But that's a topic for another video. Now, I have two questions for you. The first one, after you have done this exercise, which area should you focus on to make better videos? And the second question, which area do you think I focused on making this video? Drop a comment below. And if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe if that's your thing, and until next time, hej då!